Honda Civic Type R is more than just a hatchback with a wing. It is a fully engineered performance machine that blends cutting-edge technology with Honda's decades of racing heritage. Every feature, from the aerodynamics to the smallest interior detail, has been carefully developed to serve a purpose, giving the Civic Type R an edge in performance, precision, and practicality. Starting with the exterior, the design is aggressive yet purposeful. The wider stance is not for show. It allows for a broader track, enhancing grip during cornering and stability at high speeds. The sculpted front bumper incorporates large air intakes that channel air directly to the intercooler and brakes, ensuring consistent performance under intense driving. A functional hood vent expels hot air from the engine bay, improving cooling efficiency and reducing lift. The rear wing, crafted from lightweight materials, has been reshaped to maximize downforce without adding unnecessary drag, keeping the car planted when accelerating out of corners or charging down straights. Beneath the rear bumper, a large diffuser works in harmony with the wing to optimize airflow and enhance stability. Even the underbody has been smoothed to minimize turbulence. The triple-exit exhaust is not only a visual signature but also designed to balance sound, reduce back pressure, and provide an exhilarating exhaust note that changes depending on the drive mode. Under the hood lies the heart of the Type R, a 2.0-liter VTEC turbocharged inline-4. Honda engineers have extracted even more power for 2025, with output now pushing well past 320 horsepower thanks to refined turbo geometry, stronger lightweight internals, and an upgraded intercooler system. The throttle response has been sharpened, eliminating lag and delivering immediate bursts of acceleration. The 6-speed manual transmission, one of the defining features of the Type R, continues to set the standard for precision shifting. With shorter throws, optimized gear ratios, and Honda's rev matching system, every shift is executed smoothly and accurately, giving drivers full control while maintaining high performance. The helical limited slip differential ensures maximum power transfer to the road, minimizing wheel spin and allowing the Type R to corner with confidence, even when pushed to the limits. The suspension system is one of the most advanced in the hot hatch segment. Adaptive dampers constantly adjust to changing road conditions, offering a balance between comfort and razor-sharp handling. In comfort mode, the dampers soften to absorb bumps and provide a smooth ride for daily driving, while in plusser mode, they stiffen significantly, transforming the car into a track weapon that hugs corners with minimal body roll. A re-engineered multi-link rear suspension and dual-axis strut front suspension reduce torque steer and sharpen turn-in response, ensuring the front wheels stay planted and responsive. The steering has been retuned for 2025, offering precise feedback and quicker ratios, making the driver feel connected to the road at all times. Wider Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires wrap around lightweight forged aluminum wheels, delivering both exceptional grip and reduced unsprung weight. The braking system is equally advanced, with Brembo 4-piston calipers gripping large ventilated discs that resist fade even after repeated heavy braking, whether on the street or the track. Step inside the cabin, and the driver-focused design becomes clear. The red sport seats, an iconic Type R feature, are lighter and more supportive than before, with enhanced bolstering that keeps the driver and passenger firmly in place during aggressive driving. They are upholstered in a suede-like material that resists slipping, even under high lateral G-forces. The steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara for grip and comfort, paired with a machined aluminum shift knob that recalls Honda's racing tradition. The digital driver display is fully configurable, allowing users to prioritize critical performance information such as turbo boost, lap times, tire pressure, or G-forces. An exclusive plus, our display mode provides a race-inspired layout with a large tachometer, shift indicators, and performance telemetry front and center. The infotainment system has also been upgraded, featuring a high-resolution touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A built-in performance data logger allows drivers to record lap times, acceleration runs, and cornering forces, and even export the data for analysis. The audio system, tuned specifically for the Type R, balances high-quality sound with minimal weight, ensuring that performance is never compromised. Honda has also included convenience features such as wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a premium navigation system. Practicality remains a defining trait of the Civic Type R. Despite its track-ready performance, it still offers a spacious cabin with room for 5 passengers and a versatile hatchback cargo area. The rear seats fold flat, expanding the trunk for larger items, making the car suitable for daily life. Cabin materials have been upgraded, with soft-touch surfaces, brushed aluminum accents, and carbon fiber-style trim adding to the premium feel. Safety and technology also play a significant role. The 2025 Civic Type R comes standard with a Honda sensing suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and traffic sign recognition. These systems provide a layer of safety without intruding on the driving experience. The car also features a customizable drive mode system that adjusts throttle mapping, steering weight, suspension stiffness, and even exhaust sound to suit the driver's preferences. Even the sound has been carefully engineered. The triple-outlet exhaust features an active valve system that adjusts tone and volume depending on the drive mode. In comfort, the sound is refined and subdued for long highway drives, while in Plusser mode, it unleashes a deep, aggressive roar that enhances the thrill of acceleration. Honda has also tuned the cabin acoustics so that the driver hears the engine's natural note without excessive drone. The 2025 Honda Civic Type R is more than just a car. It is a showcase of precision engineering, where every feature serves to enhance performance, usability, or both. From its aerodynamic body to its turbocharged engine, from the adaptive suspension to the advanced digital cockpit, it represents the perfect balance of excitement and practicality. It proves that in an era where many performance cars are shifting to automatic transmissions and hybrid powertrains, there is still room for a pure driver's car that celebrates manual control, sharp feedback, and racing-inspired features.